Did you know there is a way to help reduce risk while also increasing potential returns in business and in investing? I was speaking with a client recently and he told me about how he had a partnership and his partner reneged on their business deal and my client ended up losing money. He felt badly that he should have somehow known not to trust this person. The problem was not that he trusted the person. You need trust in a business relationship and on some level in investing as well. The problem was that he didn't run scenario planning. Let's take a closer look at how this can help you in your future success. Scenario planning is basically looking at what if. What if the unexpected happens? This will help you with 4 key things. Number 1, seeing a situation logically. Number 2, not allowing your emotions to cloud your judgment. Number 3, clearly defining risk. And number 4, helping you understand potential outcomes. Scenario planning can help with investing as well as in business. It'll help you from not making mistakes that experience will teach you later on. It can also give you an opportunity to turn a what if that's a negative, and because you've looked at it, you can flip it so that it actually becomes a positive. Wealth management advisors do scenario planning every day as part of our risk management strategy. I'm Hilberry. Thank you so much for listening.